right, our final video, spiral review, find the product. On Thursday, 759 times 76. 759 times 76. Here we go. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 5 is 35. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3 is 46. All right, 45, excuse me. 45. There we go. Need my pencil back. Scratch these numbers out here so don't re-add them in. Put your placeholder down. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 6 is 41. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 4 is 53. I'm going to add everything up. 4 plus 0, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 4 plus 3, and 5. 57,684. All right, find the quotient. 3,801 divided by 7. I'm going to write that on my scratch sheet of paper. I know that 7 will go into 38 5 times without going over. 5 times 7 is 35. I can bring this 0 down. I know that 7 will go into 34 times without going over. Got a 2 left over here. Bring down this 1. And 7 will go into 21 3 times without going over. 0 is my remainder. So my answer is 543. Let's check our work though, make sure we didn't make any careless errors. 543 times 7. We've got 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28, 29, 30. And 7 times 5 is 35, 36, 37, 38, 3,801. Yep, we got it right. All right, find the sum with decimals. 467 and 4/10 plus 9 and 7/10. Make sure your digits are lined up. We've got 4 plus 7 is 11. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 9 is 17. Carry your 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. And there we go. We have 477 and 1/10. Find the difference. 23 and 91 hundredths minus 17 and 99 hundredths. We've got 1 minus 9. I cannot do that. Go to borrow. This becomes 11 minus 9 is 2. I cannot take 9 from 8, so I'm going to borrow again. 18 minus 9, bring my decimal down. 18 minus 9 is 9. Cannot take 7 from 2, so I'm going to borrow again. This comes to 12, and 12 minus 7 is 5. So my answer is 5 and 92 hundredths. All right, use less than, greater than, or equal to. 56 and 53 hundredths is less than 565 and 3/10. 44 and 65 hundredths is equal to 44 and 650 thousandths. Simplify each fraction. What can I divide by to get a simplified fraction? I could divide by 6. That would be 1. Divide by 6 here. That would be a 5. 1/5. All right, I could divide 7/28 to simplify. I could divide by 7. And that would be 1/4. All right, solve the expression using, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. 72 divided by 9 plus 4 times 4. I'm going to write that on my separate sheet of paper. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I have no parentheses, but I've got some division and multiplication. But what I can do is I can go ahead and put little parentheses here. 72 divided by 9 would be 8 plus 16. And 16 plus 8 would be 24. All right, draw a model to represent the following problem. 12 divided by 6. Okay, 12 divided by 6. So what I'm going to look at is I'm going to draw 12. Let's see. Hearts, that will work. Okay, and divide it into 6 groups. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which would be 2 in each group. What is 8 and 478 thousandths in expanded form? I'm going to write that out. So 8, the value of the 8 is just an 8. The value of the 4 is 4/10, so it's 4 times 1/10. The value of the 7 is 7 hundredths. And the value of the 8 is 8 thousandths. Label the place value. All right, 987,164 and 302 thousandths. The 0's in the hundredths place. The 1 is in the hundreds place. The 4 is in the ones place. The 3 is in the tenths place. The 6 is in the tens place. And finally, the 9 is in the hundred thousands place. There we go. And that is your final APK, boys and girls. Thank you so much.